Hi friends! How are you today? Today we're going to learn about the letter I and the sound that the letter I make. And also I will show you words that begins with the letter I. First, let's find out what sound does the letter I make? I makes the sound E, 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 like in the word iguana. Now repeat after me. I makes the sound E, E, E. Another word that begins with the E, E sound is ink. Ink. Can you see the letter I blinking? I makes the sound E, E, E. Another picture with the E, E sound is the word igloo. Igloo. Can you see the letter I in the word igloo? I makes the sound E, E, E. Okay friends, thank you for learning with Miss Gabby today. So this is the end of our lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye!